तो हमने पहले देखा कि अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है, उसके बाद में हमने देखा क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, फाइनाइट एपी एंड इनफिनाइट एपी। आगे बढ़ते हैं, वी विल सी जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। सो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज रिटन एज a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d। आपको याद होगा हमने रीना का जो एग्जाम्पल लिया था उसमें रीना की सैलरी फर्स्ट ईयर में 8,000 थी, जो कि हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म ए है। सेकेंड ईयर उसकी सैलरी 500 से बढ़ गई, इट वॉज 8,500। हमने ए प्लस डी किया, डी इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस। उसके बाद थर्ड ईयर रीना की सैलरी 9,000 हुई, विच इज ए प्लस 2 times d। Based on this formula, we will see few examples. Write first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. Here the value of a and d is given. A is 10, d is also 10. तो हम जनरल फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। a1 is equal to a, that is 10. Then a2 is a plus d. It is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Then a3 will be a plus 2d, which is equal to 10 plus twice d, which is 10 plus 2 times 10, that is 30. Then a4 is a plus 3d is equal to 10 plus 3 times 10. So 10 plus 30 gives you 40. So your answer is, first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, and the fourth term is 40. We will see one more example. Here a is given -1 and d is 1 by 2. We will be doing it by using the same formula. a1 is our first term, which is equal to a, it is -1. a2 is our second term, which will be equal to a plus d, is equal to a is -1, d is 1 by 2. So we get it as -1 by 2. a3 is our third term, which is equal to a plus twice d, a is -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. -1 plus 1 gives you 0. Then a4 is your fourth term, which is equal to a plus thrice d is equal to -1 plus 3 times 1 by 2 is equal to -1 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So your answer is, first term is -1, then -1 by 2, then 0, and then 1 by 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स आर इन एपी। हमें कुछ टर्म्स दिए हैं और हमको देखना है वो एपी में है या नहीं है। नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, a1 इज आवर फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज a1 इज इक्वल टू 4, a2 is our second term, that is 10, a3 is equal to 16, and a4 is equal to 22. Whether the following terms are in AP or not, we will simply see the common difference. D is equal to a2 minus a1, second term minus first term, that is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Then we will find a3 minus a2, which is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. Then we will find a4 minus a3 is equal to 22 minus 16, which comes out to 6. If the difference or the value of d, common difference, is same throughout, then the terms are in AP. So we will write as value of d is same, so the terms are in AP. We will see one more example. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया है 1 1 2 2। यहां पे हमारी A1 की वैल्यू 1 है, A2 की वैल्यू 1 है, A3 की वैल्यू 2 है, A4 की वैल्यू भी 2 है। अगेन हम क्या करने वाले हैं, वी विल बी फाइंडिंग कॉमन डिफरेंस, दैट इज second term minus first term. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then again A3 minus A2 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then A4 minus A3 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. अभी यहां हम देख सकते हैं कि वैल्यू D की सेम नहीं आई है. So the terms are not in AP. So we will write the answer as value of D is not the same. So the terms are not in AP.